Have you ever walked into a small room and thought, there's just no space for anything beautiful or functional? What if I told you that the problem is not the space itself, but how we use it? Today, we are unlocking the magic of multifunctional furniture, the kind that works smarter, not harder. Welcome to Craft Catalog, where we turn simple woodworking ideas into creative, practical solutions for real homes. With this thought, imagine a single piece of furniture that can serve three purposes: a coffee table, a storage unit, and even a seating bench. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. With a few clever design tricks, small spaces can become both stylish and organized. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. First, let's talk about foldable and convertible designs. Furniture that transforms with your needs is the secret weapon of every small home. Think of a fold-down wall desk that hides away when not in use. It takes up zero floor space but gives you a full workstation whenever you need it. Add a smooth hinge, a magnetic latch, and some shelves, and you've created something that's not just functional but visually beautiful. Now imagine a storage ottoman. It's a seat, a table, and a storage box all in one. You can build it with scrap wood or reclaimed boards. Add a hinged lid, line the inside, and top it with a cushion. It looks designer, yet it's one of the simplest woodworking builds you can try. And the best part, every inch serves a purpose. Let's move to the next idea: floating shelves with hidden compartments. Instead of plain boards, design them to open up and store small items like keys, letters, or remotes. These are perfect for minimalist spaces because they combine decoration with storage. A little creativity and some good hardware can make your shelf look like it came straight out of a luxury catalog. Next, let's explore sofa tables and side consoles that tuck neatly behind or under furniture. They are great for small apartments or studio spaces. A narrow wooden console behind your couch can hold lamps, books, or even charging ports. It keeps the room tidy while adding elegance. Design it with clean lines and a light stain to maintain an open, airy feel. Now here's where creativity meets innovation: multi-use wall panels. You can make wooden pegboard-style panels that act as art pieces and storage. Add small hooks, pegs, and mini shelves, then rearrange them anytime. They're customizable, visually interesting, and perfect for keeping essentials off the floor. And what about extendable or nesting furniture? Think of nesting tables that fit perfectly under one another. You pull them out only when you need extra space. They are beautiful, functional, and surprisingly easy to make from leftover wood. Round edges, smooth sanding, and a simple finish can turn basic lumber into a high-end, space-saving masterpiece. Let's not forget the kitchen, one of the trickiest places for small space design. Try a foldable kitchen island or rolling cart. Add wheels, a sturdy top, and side hooks for utensils. When not in use, you can roll it away or fold the top down. It saves space but looks custom-built. These versatile designs are favorites among tiny home owners and apartment renters. Now, let's look at bedroom furniture hacks. A bed frame with storage drawers underneath can replace the need for a separate dresser. You can even build a headboard with built-in shelves and soft lighting. This turns your sleeping area into a multifunctional zone for both comfort and organization. Here's a simple truth: multifunctional furniture isn't just about saving space. It's about designing smarter, living better, and using creativity to solve real problems. The secret lies in balancing design and practicality. Every angle, hinge, and joint has a purpose. And when you build it yourself, you can make it exactly how your space needs it to be. Another important aspect is aesthetic consistency. When you work with wood, you can keep all your pieces visually connected, even if they serve different purposes. Use matching finishes, similar hardware, or the same wood tone. This gives your entire space a designer look, even if everything is handmade. Wrapping up, let's address one thing many people overlook: small space furniture does not mean small style. A simple floating desk or convertible table can still look high-end. You just have to focus on neat cuts, clean edges, and smooth finishes. Always sand thoroughly, seal with clear coat or matte varnish, and use light stains to make the room feel larger. Now imagine this. You walk into your living room. Every piece of furniture serves multiple purposes. Nothing looks cluttered. Everything looks elegant, intentional, and handcrafted. That's the beauty of functional woodworking, where practicality meets personality. So next time you think you need a bigger home, stop and look around. You might just need smarter furniture. Because the best designs are not about having more space. They're about using what you already have in creative ways. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more space-saving, budget-friendly, and design-smart woodworking ideas. Like, comment, and share your favorite part, or tell us what kind of project you'd love to see next. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and remember, small spaces can still hold big style.